Call it the Mini G6, the new mid-range LG Q6 looks and feels a lot like the company's flagship phone. It has a similar bezel-less, immersive display and it's got a nearly identical interface. Of course, when you are talking about a mid-range phone like this new Q6, sold at half the price of the LG G6, you know some compromises have been made. Rather than having high-performance silicon under the hood, the Q6 is powered by the entry-level Snapdragon 435 system chip and it lacks the fancy dual-camera system of the G6. It's not water-protected either. Also, it does not have a fingerprint scanner. Instead, it supports face recognition, but can it really replace the speed, convenience and accuracy of a fingerprint reader? We look at this and all other interesting details around the new LG Q6 right below. It feels weird not having a fingerprint scanner on your phone in 2017, yet this is exactly the case with the LG Q6. It does not just leave you typing PIN codes the old-fashioned way, though. There is face recognition built in. I was eager to test how this worked in real life. You don't need to wake up the screen in order for face scanning to work on the Q6. The idea is that you can just pull out your phone from your pocket, look at it, and it unlocks. In theory. Does it work in real life? Nope. In fact, it's completely useless. My success rate with Face Unlock on the Q6 has been low to the point of frustration. The thing is that you need to hold the phone at the right angle and distance from your face for this feature to actually work, and you need enough light. Face Unlock simply does not work in the dark, or even at dusk. And even when conditions are optimal for it to do its thing, it can be slower than scanning a fingerprint, sometimes requiring seconds to detect that it's you. With so many limitations, at the end of the day most people will sorely miss having a good old fingerprint scanner.